About 3 or 4 minutes before pushback, expecting an on-time departure for Atlanta. Once we get airborne, 1 hour and 23 minutes of flight time, climbing up to just 24,000 feet to get some smooth rides, just due to some reports of rougher rides higher than that. Overall, like I said, 1 hour, 23 minutes. Pleasure to have you on board. You've got 4 of Delta's award-winning flight attendants in the cabin to assist you. Please remember your safety is their #1 priority, so I appreciate it if you follow their instructions. Also want to acknowledge that right now your safety and comfort is the most important thing for Delta. So as you can see, we've increased the space around you by not selling middle seats, and also this aircraft has passed the industry's most comprehensive sanitation inspection and cleanliness inspection. So there's really nowhere we think you could be right now cleaner than this cabin. We just want to thank you for putting your trust in Delta Airlines. We're going to get you to Atlanta quickly, safely, comfortably. Sit back, relax, enjoy the ride. Let us know if we can do anything to make it more enjoyable. Once again, welcome aboard Delta.
Ladies and gentlemen, the boarding door is now closed and you may continue to use mobile devices at this time as long as they are set to airplane mode and properly secured. Federal regulations prohibit the use of cellular networks during flight. The use of Wi-Fi to make video or voice calls is not allowed on any Delta flight. At this time, please take your seats, fasten your seatbelts, clear your tray tables and carry-on items, and ensure our armrests are lowered. Flight attendants, arm doors for departure, cross check and off route. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome aboard. My name is Kanisha, and we're so glad to see you again. It's my pleasure to serve as your flight leader on today's flight. Our crew of 3 Atlanta-based flight attendants are excited to have you on board today and appreciate the opportunity to offer you exceptional service on this flight. Nothing is more important to Delta and our partners than the safety of our customers and crew, which is why we're setting a new standard of cleaning that includes sanitizing our aircraft with high-grade disinfectant, advanced air filtration system, and wiping down all surfaces prior to boarding on each flight. In addition, we're wearing masks to ensure we're all protected, and we appreciate you wearing yours as well. If you forget, we will gently remind you to ensure the safety of your fellow customers and crew. Underneath these masks, you can be sure we are still smiling. Before we depart, please direct your attention to the video screens and the flight attendants in the aisle for a brief presentation of the safety features of our Airbus A321 aircraft. If your video monitor is not working, please let a flight attendant know.
On behalf of all of us at Delta, welcome aboard. If it's been a while since you've flown, rest assured your comfort and safety are still our #1 priority. At every step of your journey, you'll experience the Delta Care Standard. From enhanced cleaning practices and HEPA filtration to creating additional space on board, everything we're doing is in service of your health and well-being. But we're asking for your help as well. Please be considerate of your fellow passengers by wearing your mask and allowing extra space when deplaning. For details about the Delta Care Standard, please visit delta.com. We thank you for flying Delta. We're excited to see the world together again. Please stay safe.
We are proud to partner with Habitat for Humanity, building homes, creating opportunities, and changing lives.
Because if we connect at the human level, we connect the world.
Welcome aboard, and thanks for flying with Delta. Our first priority on every flight is the safety of our customers and crew. So before we depart, please pay attention to this important safety message. Be sure that all carry-on items are securely stowed in an overhead bin, and place smaller items, including handbags, under the seat in front of you. If you lose your electronic device in your seat, please do not adjust your seat and ask a crew member for assistance. Please ensure all aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas are clear.
As we leave the gate, make sure your seatbelt is fastened. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and adjust the strap so it's low and tight across your lap. To release the belt, just lift the top of the buckle. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened anytime the seatbelt sign is on, and even if the sign is off. Please keep your seatbelt fastened in case we experience unexpected rough air.
For everyone's safety, federal regulations require all passengers to comply with the posted placards and lighted information signs located throughout the cabin, in addition to any crew member's instructions. Smoking, the use of e-cigarettes or any smokeless product, including chewing tobacco, is not allowed on any Delta flight. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying restroom smoke detectors. There are 8 exits on this plane, 8 doors, 4 on each side. 4 doors have detachable slides that can be used as rafts. An additional raft is located in an overhead bin in the middle of the plane.
In the event of an evacuation, leave all carry-on items behind. All exits are clearly marked with an exit sign. However, if there's a loss of power and cabin visibility is reduced, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit. Please note that exit signs on this airplane identify each exit with the green symbol. Arrows indicate the direction to the exit. Locate the exit nearest you using these green symbols, keeping in mind the nearest exit might be behind you.
It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, the panels inside the lavatories and above your seat will open, revealing oxygen masks. If this happens, reach up and pull the mask towards you until the tube is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic strap over your head and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing, so don't worry if the bag doesn't inflate. Be sure to adjust your own mask before helping others.
A water evacuation is also unlikely. But just in case, life vests are located under your seats in the main cabin. If you're seated in the first class or business class cabin, life vests are in a compartment beneath or adjacent to your seat. To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling on the tab and then opening the pouch. Slip the vest over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist and attach it to the buckle in front and adjust securely around your waist. As you leave the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom of the vest, or manually inflate it by blowing into the tube at shoulder level.
A water-activated light is attached to each vest. Refer to the safety information card for instructions on how to use the life vest for children who weigh less than 35 pounds. If necessary, we'll distribute life vests for in-lap children.
Now, before we take off, be sure your seat is upright, your aisle armrests are lowered, and your tray table is put away.
As we come through the cabin for our final safety check, please let us know if you have any questions. And finally, now would be a good time for everyone to review the safety information card, which is in your seat pocket. When you fly with Delta, you help change lives. One dream, one moment, one home at a time.
Now, as we get ready for takeoff, please settle in and have a wonderful flight. Thank you for flying with Delta.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be dimming our lights for takeoff. For your convenience, there's a reading light, an air vent, and a flight attendant call button above your seat.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the flight deck, looks like we'll be next for departure. Flight time is 1 hour and 23 minutes. We invite you to sit back, relax, enjoy the flight to Atlanta. Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for departure.